Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. So let's begin. So this usually happens when you run a command on your CMD, especially SFC scan now. Instead of repairing, it shows this message. So what you can do is first to run this command, okay? Check disk. This will uh, run in your computer and see any potential uh, corrupted files or faulty components in your computer. Okay, so it will restart your computer and it will even show a message that they might restart your computer several times, but this process might take less than 30 minutes. No longer than that, though, it's more than enough. So after it has successfully scanned everything, it will show a message if it has found any potential things that had a major damage in your PC. But if not, then you're good to go. Try to run the SFC scan now, but before that, run the DISM commands first, like this. And you can also ask for ChatGPT for the other DISM commands, but this is more than enough. Okay. Once you've run this, run SFC scan now. And if this message doesn't show up and it will show a message that it has successfully repaired the Windows corrupted file, then we're good to go. There's no need to do any major changes in your computer. So I hope you found this video very helpful.